Hey everyone, it's activities with Amy time. So I wanted to do some math today. I love numbers. Okay, so as I always say, disclaimer, Dollar Tree has no affiliation with Child Development Council in any area. I just happen to love that store. If you can go to the Dollar Tree and get some things, great. But you know what? All the stuff that you can do with this activity, you should be able to find things at home. So we'll go over some different examples. So we're doing math and numbers today. So for example, my first one is a pink index card. You could use paper, any kind of paper. I have Post-it notes, whatever's easiest to find. And for children who are watching, always have an adult help you with scissors or any kind of cutting, okay? We want you to be safe. So I have my safety scissors. I have a marker. You can use a pen, a pencil, crayon, whatever you like. Okay, this last one. So I have styrofoam cups. I know we're watching the environment. Again, just using this as an example. You can use plastic. You can also use toilet paper rolls once it's empty, paper towel rolls. With that one, what's great is the adult can cut those and you can have 3 or 4 of them depending on what size you want. There's a lot of different options. Okay, so what we're going to do is start off with some numbers. So I have my scissors, but you know what? If you don't have scissors, you can just cut or rip your paper. You don't need to cut it. Totally fine. And let's see, just show you a couple real quick. And then I like to make them little squares, especially for little fingers of children. All right, so I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to make some little dots. So this one is 4 dots. So on the back, I'm going to write the number 4. Now, I don't know if this reminds you of anything, these 4 dots, but I happen to have a teeny tiny set of dominoes. Again, got at the Dollar Tree. Don't need to purchase anything. But look at that. There's 4 dots right there. And there's 4 dots right here. So again, make your own. Pretty cool, right? So what we're going to do with the numbers and math is you're going to write for one particular activity that I did. I wrote the number 10 on here. That's my favorite number. So here's 10. So there's so many different numbers that add up to 10. So for my example, I'm going to do 6 plus 4. So on one side, I'm going to make my dots, and on the other side, I'm going to do the number. So here we have 4 dots and 6 dots. And on the back, I wrote the number 6 and the number 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. And guess what? We're going to pop it into the number 10 cup. What else makes 10? Well, let's see. I have 5 dots, and I have 5 dots. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I'm going to put it right into the 10 cup. So again, if you're using paper towel roll holder or the toilet paper holder or anything that you can put into the container that you can write on, put the number right in here. And see, easy cleanup. There it is right on my table. All right. Now, if you have the dominoes though, or you'd still like to make your own dominoes, you have 2 different numbers. This is a 6 and a 1. Super high, it's hard to see, it's tiny. But here's my 6, and then here's a 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. We just did that with our pink card. So you could put those, and that makes a nice noise. So you can do that, and you can add, and you can do as many cups and as many numbers as you like. You can even do, like again, here's the number 10. Just turn it to the other side, make a 180-degree turn, and you can put a different number on here, maybe 20, so you can go up to 20. A lot of different ways you can do this activity. It's just about math and numbers and fun and getting kids to write the dots, count the dots, write the actual number, do the math, put it together for everything. And just have some fun with numbers because numbers are fun. They really are. See you next time.